to meet up with about 50 different airplanes, 50 to... Oh my God!
We got oil pressure, we got fuel pressure, pump is off, link for taxi.
Advise Mr. Contact, give information Zulu.
Zulu. Executive clearance November 119 Juliet Delta is at PA-28 departing to the northwest with Zulu.
Here 119 Juliet Delta, executive clearance, contact ground.
To ground, 119 Juliet Delta. Alright, we got our clearance. I'm on ground frequency.
Oh, you said set far shot to the high setting, you said?
We have two on final, a jet and a Cessna turning right base. Full ridge, pump is on, right tank.
Kilos to the ground, reminder, it's active via Echo.
Yeah, Echo, we're going to do a run up today.
Ground, Hawk 702 Charlie Sierra on Delta over to base.
Hawk 702 Charlie Sierra to the ground, active via Delta Echo, hold short, runway 13.
Delta Echo, hold short of 132 Charlie Sierra.
Left, both, right, 5.5 in the vacuum, good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure on the right tank. Carb heat off. Looking good. Let's go. Let's check the checklist. Alright, we're rolling. Carb heat off, pump is on, full ridge. Release that pressure. Coming up on VR. And there we go. Put the nose straight, gain some speed. There she goes. Let's climb at VY. Alright, dropping a notch of flaps. Traffic in sight. Dropping the second notch of flaps, 200 feet. Now we can head for VY. Good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure, no traffic. 400 feet, positive rate. Airplane feels good. Coming up on 500.
Okay, 237, runway 9, clear technical, wing 120, work up to line 5.
Make this a full stop, 237.
237, roger, runway 9, clear to land.
There's a left turn.
237.
Left turn has been approved. Keep your foot in. Keep that turn nice and coordinated. No traffic. There's our heading. There's our climb. Let's trim her. Took up at 9:30. Should be there at 11.
Deck of the tower, BSO 9.
And we're gonna go 4,500.
You got Zulu, parked at Charlie, requesting Charlie to park to the south.
Good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure. I have a couple of areas down there where I can make the airport from here still. If anything happens, I would just turn around and declare, head to the airport, but that's not gonna happen, so we're good. Today we're going to another one of those amazing meets with that group that calls themselves the Old Farts. That's just my name because those guys are, in their minds, they're all a bunch of kids playing around. I hope they don't mind me saying that, but that's really what it is. If you're a pilot and you want to meet up every other Thursday for the next 2-3 months, there's a link in the description where you can add your email. It's just one email every other week that tells you the next airport where we're going to meet up. If you have the time and And if you want to meet up with a bunch of pilots and see a bunch of cool airplanes, this is something that you definitely want to check out. The person that organizes it, Roger, you're gonna see him in one of the future videos featuring his Stearman, Boeing Stearman. That thing is a blast, and we did some really cool flying in his airplane. It's an airplane that has such a cool history. People trained in that airplane back in the 40s. It was involved in a mid-air collision. So anyway, we go into all that. So if you like airplane videos, I think that you're gonna enjoy that one. So for now, I have another hour into this flight. So cue up the montage.
Clearing, 2-3, clearing.
Alright, so traffic at Venice, everybody's arriving.
Gross field image is entering the final for runway 18. Bonanza A36 turning down the final, 2-3.
Everybody's arriving at about the same time. 22 miles out, so I'm going to get ready for the landing. Pump is on.
Hey, traffic on the departure leg. If you guys keep it tight, we can come in behind you.
I have a little bit of cloud coverage in front of me now, so I gotta get under that. Looks like they're at about 3,000. I've runway 523 in sight.
Off your right wing, Dave.
Alright, carb heat off, pump is on, full ridge. Now it's a little bumpy down here. But we have traffic all over the place here.
You in it?
Venice traffic, airport maintenance vehicle clear, runway 23 at Delta.
Venice traffic, Cherokee, 3 mile left base, 23, Venice.
Venice, Hyper Pacers on the left base for 23, in front of you.
Oh my God. Venice traffic, I have a Cherokee in front of me that is on left base for 23, so I'm gonna follow you, Venice.
Venice, on 52 on final runway 23, Venice. Blue Bonanza 0PC turning base behind number 2 at 23, Venice.
Venice traffic, Cherokee behind the Bonanza. I see the Bonanza turning base. I'm turning base for runway 23, the Cherokee, Venice. Alright, 800 feet. Let's slow it down now. Carb heat off, full ridge, pump is on. Traffic on sight. What the heck is he doing? Oh.
Traffic Able November is left downwind departure through 1,300.
Oh, he's doing S-turns.
Venice traffic, yellow cab, left crosswind, departing downwind, east, Venice. Blue Bonanza 30 PC going around.
Yeah, the S-turns didn't help. Venice traffic, Cherokee, 2 mile final. I have a Cessna on my left, Venice. Runway 23.
Venice traffic, Skyhawk 20 Alpha on the final. We have the circuit side to Venice.
Venice traffic, Cherokee, 1 mile final, 23, Venice.
Venice traffic, Mooney 6969 Romeo 7 to the north, crossover center field for left downwind 23.
Venice traffic, helicopter 272 Delta Whiskey departing to the east. Venice traffic.
Wow.
Venice traffic, Cessna 152 turning left, downwind runway 23, Venice. Venice Aerostar 3 miles south, entering the downwind for 23.
Little flat. Pump off, lean for taxi. What the f***?
Tail dragger.
I love this.
Mooney. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but I got to make a video with this thing. It's called a cam, and it looks really cool.
They were originally designed for the National Geographic company for photography in remote parts of Africa because they have 2 engines. They're pretty unusual airplanes, I have to tell you. I've owned quite a few airplanes, but no airplanes on floats.
What other airplanes have you owned?
I started with a Piper Arrow, Piper Seneca 2, 2 Cessna T210s, 2 Cirruses. This airplane is different than every airplane out there. It will actually take off on a single engine, both on floats or wheels. If I'm flying at about 4,000 RPMs and maybe 70 miles an hour, I'm burning 3 gallons a side or 6 gallons an hour total.
Wait, 4,000 RPM? Oh wait, these are Rotax.
These are Rotax.
That airplane is really cool, but now it's lunchtime, so let's go eat.
It's Sharky's on the pier.
Look at how amazing this is. All pilots, all these tables, talking about airplanes and pilot stories and anything in between.
It's always the same conversation. How high did you go? How fast did you go? What else?
Roger had a go around.
Yes. He's never flown in a...
I'm a passenger. This is his first time flying, ever. How was that? Tell me.
It was a very exciting experience.
My wife also is a pilot, and she usually comes with me, but this is my my substitute for my wife.
We're going to celebrate my wife's birthday today. We're not saying how old, but and I put the Teresa on there. I decorated that myself with some. This is our last Old Farts of the seasons. I think this is number 22, which is incredible. Had 1 washout all year long, which is amazing. We haven't swapped any paint in the pattern or on the ramp. Alex is going to go on an every other week basis and keep doing this throughout the summer months for at least 4 weeks and see how it goes. To you.
She started taking flying lessons this week. She's got 9 hours in her logbook.
This gentleman right here used to fly an F100 for the Air Force. I didn't even know what that was. I had to Google it.
The first line attack fighter, capable of exceeding Mach 1 in level flight.
Backbone of our jet Air Force.
And this gentleman right here, I just asked him, so how many airplanes have you had? He lost count. He's been flying for 50 years. People my age that want to become a pilot. What can you tell them?
There's never been a time like this in history. There isn't. And there's more and more guys retiring. The airlines are scared stiff. They're paying people in high school to be airline pilots.
That's amazing.
And they're giving them money. So get your ratings. You will not be sorry.
My favorite part is all the fun conversations that we have about flying and airplanes and mishaps and on and on and on. No, this is the first most fun part. It's the flying. Whoa! 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 What the hell? Look at that! What? Oh wow! He's just hanging out. Whoa! Whoa! Look at him! Where are you going, buddy? He's gone. Typical day in Florida. Just your random gator. And now, the mad rush out of here. Everybody's leaving at the same time. guys does it take to fuel a Waco? 3 guys. Check this out. 10 minutes ago, this was full of airplanes. They're gone.